It's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done several videos on text to path, but I was just going to show you a little trick I've been doing lately. When you want to text a path on the top, it's really never a problem. But when you want to put text to path on the bottom of this path, it can sometimes give you a little problem. One is reversing the text, and you can always go left click on changing that, but now you're on the inside and you have to go to the outside. So what I do when I try to do this, I will take my text to path and I'll go and mirror it horizontally, mirror it vertically, and then when I go text to path and go down, the first click is in the right spot. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.